Hi everyone! Today I'm getting dressed up as Grogu because the Mandalorian and Grogu movie is coming out soon. I'm so excited, so I decided to do a Grogu look, and right after this I will do a Mandalorian look. So this is the makeup I did. This is the makeup. This is the makeup I did. And I added a little butterfly for that scene where Grogu plays with the butterfly. And I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I did my makeup right now. Alright, so for makeup, I already have my foundation on. I'm gonna use a purple blush. I'm gonna use this one by Nude Sticks. Next, I'm going to set my face using the Fenty Banana Powder. For my makeup, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Mandalorian and Grogu makeup collection. So I do have this mirror, which I will be using today, just totally a theme. Oh, I also have this really cute Grogu shirt on, just really cute. He looks adorable. He kind of looks like me in the way that he looks really young, but he's secretly really old. The collection also came with this pouch. It says cutest in the galaxy. There are two palettes in this collection. So we have Grogu. Palette has a mirror with a little Grogu right there. We also have the Mandalorian palette, but I'm gonna use that for my Mandalorian look. Next, I also have two lip products. So this one is Grogu. It's this clear lip gloss with sparkles in there, and on the top here you can see Grogu, but I've used this quite often so it's fading. Same with this one. This had actually images of the Mandalorian and it's all gone now. I also have Grogu with me here today. He is actually here to watch me do my makeup. I love this necklace. I actually wore his necklace in the Disney parks. If you hear random noises, that's Grogu next to me. He also sleeps with me. I have this plushie. I also have one of the... I also have one of the Mandalorian. This is a recent purchase, so it dispenses candy. And I thought he was very cute. First, I'm gonna start with this dark green shade called Float Your Crib. And I'm just gonna put that in my outer corner. Next, I'm taking a fluffy brush to blend out harsh edges. Next, I'm gonna take this shade called Little Frog, and I'm gonna apply it right next to the darker shade we just applied. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Sipping Soup. These colors are really beautiful and they blend together so well. Now for my inner corner, I want to use this one called Baby Face. I do think I want to bring some of that darker green down. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of that Sipping Soup and apply that towards the inner corner. Now I'm gonna add my eyeliner. For this, I'm using my one size eyeliner. Now I do want to do some kind of art on my eye. So I was thinking, there's this silver ball that Grogu plays with in Mando's ship. I could also do a frog, but I don't necessarily want to do a frog on my face. I could also do a bowl of soup, or I could do a butterfly from that scene where he's playing with a butterfly. That might be a good one. I actually have a cutie cuff of Grogu and he has this butterfly, so I can take that as a reference and recreate it on my eye. It's really cute though. I think this is really nice for my Mandalorian look to attach this to his bag and then Grogu is with him. So for the outline of the butterfly, I'm gonna use this one by Juvia's Place. It is in the shade Cobalt Blue and it's this dark blue liner. I think that looks pretty good actually. So now I'm gonna use a black liner and create the body. For this, I'm using this liquid liner from the ColourPop Twilight collection in the shade Coven. Oh no! I can't believe I finished this. There's like no product left. Okay, so I think that was my last black liquid liner. I'm just using my battered Pat McGrath Labs liner. So this one is also finished, but I try to cut it shorter so that I could still use whatever product is left in here because it's always sold out. So now I'm gonna go in with a light blue. And I think I'll be using this one, NYX Cosmetics. It's in the shade Blue Thang. Okay, well I gotta admit, it doesn't look that bad. As long as it looks like a butterfly from far away, I'm pretty happy. I do think because Grogu's eyes are black, that I'm gonna add a black pencil to my waterline. So I'm using this one by Pat McGrath Labs. So moving on to lips, I think I could do something like the light brown or a light pink. And then I'll go on top with this lip gloss. First, I'm gonna line my lips using this MAC pencil in the shade Root for Me. Next, I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick by NYX Cosmetics called After Hours. Now I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit before I apply my lip gloss highlighter. So I'm thinking to use a green highlighter. So I have three options for highlighter. I have two NYX ones and one ColourPop one. So the first NYX one is called Butter in Black. I'm just gonna swatch all of them. This is what it looks like. So I'm seeing purple in here. It's an interesting shade. It is pretty. Next I have this one called Butter Mint. Oh yeah. I feel like this is more of an eyeshadow than a highlighter. I don't know. Because it's pretty pigmented in the way that it just gives color. and it's not like giving a sparkle, you know? And then we have this one by ColourPop from the Wings collection in the shade Darcy. So this one is definitely the most green, and this one is more brown, but I do think that has the prettiest sparkle. Oh yeah, that does look green actually. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Wow. Okay, wait. I need to show you what this looks like. This is actually so pretty and green. I like this one a lot. So this one was called Butter in Black. Now I'm gonna apply the lip gloss. Alright, so that is the finished look. I'm gonna put on my dress and get back to you. Alright, so the dress is on, and it's basically this beige dress. I will show you what it looks like when the full look is done. So first off, I have these ears, which I of course have to wear. My Grogu ears. Now for jewelry, I actually have quite a lot. I have this storage box where I store my Grogu jewelry in. And it is a music box, so when you open it up, so I have these Grogu earrings, and I have lost one of these earrings. I lost it somewhere in my room, but I just can't find it. There are 5 pairs of earrings in here, like this ball that Grogu plays with. Here you have Ahsoka. Right here. This one was actually my favorite because of the way he holds up his hand and uses the Force. I do also really like this one because of the beads. And then there is this one. So I think I'm actually gonna wear these earrings. I can show you all of my Star Wars themed jewelry. So I have this necklace by Couture Kingdom, and it is R2-D2. I have these Ahsoka earrings by BaubleBar, which are also really pretty and sparkly. I have this Boba Fett necklace. I really love the rose gold accent on this. I had bought a Mandalorian necklace, but it was so small. It's this one. And like, how small is this, you know? Like, especially compared to Boba. That's actually crazy. So I figured I might as well buy Boba. I do really like him as well. And this one was just a disappointment. They are both by Couture Kingdom. Then I have this really cute necklace. It is Mando and Grogu. This is a really cute one. And then I have Din Grogu himself, which is also really cute. Then I have this really awesome Mudhorn necklace, which is really nice for Mando. And then I have this Mythosaur necklace, which is also really nice. So I suppose I don't have to wear his anymore. I can just wear this one. So this is gonna be the necklace I'm gonna wear. So I think for accessories we are done. Next, I'm moving on to shoes. So I figured because Grogu is green, I could wear some green heels. I have actually never worn these before. They are by Buffalo. I must say, these shoes are really comfortable. This is the entire look. So of course, we also have some bags. I have this really pretty Mandalorian Loungefly bag with the Mudhorn sigil right there. Here is the mythosaur. It says, "This is the way." It's really, really pretty and like this metallic Beskar fabric. I thought this was a cute accessory because where he goes, you know? So this is what the inside looks like. So I feel like with this Grogu look, I could totally wear this Mandalorian bag because they belong together. Now I also have this bag, which is actually really good for a Mandalorian look. I love this sparkle so much. This one is by Danielle Nicole. It says "Species Unknown," and it has a little frog over here. So I could wear it with this look, like the Grogu section look. You can see how shiny his ears are as well. It's very cute. And this is very fluffy. So I think for this look, I would go with Mando. And for a Mando look, I would go with Grogu. What would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Now, if I was gonna plan to wear this dress in the parks, then I would probably bring this bag because you gotta do some shopping, you know, especially at World of Disney. I mean, this is this is huge, but it's really, really cute, right? The print. I love that scene. Alright, so that is the finished look. My next look is gonna be a Mandalorian look, so make sure to subscribe and watch my next video. Thank you for watching me sparkle.